This 2025 Dutchmen Voltage V Series 3800 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features a midnight interior, sleeps 7, skylight, leveling jacks, slide-out, air conditioning, TV, oven, smoke detector, LP detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Voltage V Series 3800 is 13,340 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.